Interestingly, 70% of the MSMEs who are getting their bill discounted are micro. So that's a very interesting number, which means the real strength of Indian business lies with small and micro enterprises. All kudos to them, the hard work that they are putting in. Uh, all these financiers are there. You can see Canara Bank is topping the chart, and all big thanks to all the financiers put together. Big respect to the banking fraternity for respecting trades and helping MSMEs. Now you will be thinking all the banks are there. फर्क क्या पड़ता है? Trades के बाहर भी तो same advantage है. So the advantage which I want to show in the next slide is you get competitive rate. थोड़ा सा ध्यान लगाते हैं, 30 सेकंड देंगे इस स्लाइड को. Can you see a black color bottom line? That's a repo rate. I have plotted almost 6 years data quarter wise on the slide. You will realize that the black color bottom line, which is a representation of a repo rate, when the repo rate is flat, Trades platform is continuously providing and reducing the interest rate at the platform by discounting the bills. Which means because of the platform effect, multi bankers effect, the interest rates are continuously reducing. For the last 15 months, we are seeing increase in the interest rates. So you will also see the steep in the repo rate. Trades rates are not following the trend. They are lower and slower. Similarly, when repo rates were reducing initially, almost 5 years back, the trades rates were reducing at a faster pace. So in effect, two messages that I want to give from here is trades, while it's an amalgamation of all the banks coming together to help MSMEs, is providing super competitive rates. Look at using it to the advantage. And the way I said it, आपके पर्स में अगर एक से ज़्यादा क्रेडिट कार्ड है, तो आपके बिजनेस में ट्रेड्स होना जरूरी है. With this, we have some of these PSU partners who are already working with us, all the oil majors, all the oil and gas industries, all of them are here. Now, slowly, gradually, state PSEs are also coming together. And to start with, most of the state electricity distribution boards or generation companies are coming and onboarding at Trades, which means आप में से कोई भी इंसान जो MSME है, उद्यम रजिस्ट्रेशन रखता है, अगर वो इन entities के साथ डील करता है, all of you are most welcome to come and be a part of M1 Exchange Trades and enjoy it for your advantage. Some of corporate names, and these are a very few names I could gather in a couple of slides. The list is long. We have about 1,500 corporates coming from all across the country who are dealing with MSMEs. Another couple of sectors, be it pharma, transport, construction, textile, FMCG, agro, and some of these are auto sector players. Now, 2 more minutes I'll take. So I'll quickly do a repeat of what I said to you. Trades is a supply chain financing platform which is providing working capital support by way of trade receivables financing at the platform. This platform is RBI approved. When I say approved, even to an extent the way all our banking fraternity people witness stringent compliances from with respect to RBI guidelines, we have to also follow that. So those things are there. We have about 2,50,000 lakh worth of crore worth of financing already done. Trades provide competitive interest rate advantage. It is digital, so all of you can, wherever you are, sitting at the comfort of your office, using the digital journey, can be a part of Trades. अभी तक हमने ये देखा कि ट्रेड्स पर जो फाइनेंसिंग हो रही है वो हो रही है एक MSME, एक लार्ज कॉर्पोरेट को जो माल बेचता है उसके रिसीवर्स. ये क्लियर है यहाँ तक? श्योर? अब मैं कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बताने वाला हूँ which has at least 2 years of hard work. And I have been fortunate enough to be a part of that hard work. In the last 2 years, M1 Exchange exclusively worked with RBI and came up with a concept of bill discounting or invoice financing between two MSMEs. In India, this has not happened so far. Which means कोई भी एक invoice जो एक MSME enterprise दूसरी MSME enterprise पे रेज करती है, उस पे भी 45 दिन, 60 दिन, 90 दिन, 120 दिन का क्रेडिट पीरियड चलता है. Agreed? अब उस फाइनेंसिंग को, उस क्रेडिट पीरियड को मैनेज करने के लिए एक नया प्रोडक्ट आया है, which obviously happened with the help of RBI blessings. What we said to RBI, that this gentleman who is a tier 1 MSME supplying to a large corporate, obviously is procuring from other people. Raw material, input, services, packing material, consumables, a lot. Can we do the financing of this length? Which means a MSME who is already supplying to a large corporate, if that same MSME is purchasing or procuring anything from another MSME, can we bring this transaction within the umbrella of trades? We did a pilot project for almost 9 months in 2022, submitted a report on 31st December 2022. RBI grilled us thoroughly, happily grilled us thoroughly, came up with a lot of queries, we gave a lot of observations, learnings. Canara banks also participated in. What really happened? RBI said, brilliant product introduced. 25 days back, RBI released a notification and a public notice saying we approve this transaction to be a part of trades. Which means today it's a reality, and let me congratulate all the MSMEs in India that come forward and be a part of this revolution. Revolution in a sense that today you do maximum amount of purchase from an MSME. Come forward and use this financing. Now you will be thinking, it's MSME financing, what will be the situation? In simple words, it is unsecured financing, off balance sheet financing. Okay? So with this, you can definitely take the advantage of this and be a part of this very important development that has happened in the country. So the entire focus is to look at MSMEs at the center for trades. In this entire pilot project and the overall approach, it is interesting. आप वो डिम कर दीजिए फ्लैश जो यहाँ पे चल रहा है फ्लैश लाइट मुझे तरह नहीं होती है like it was there make it like that yes it's pleasing. Okay, so with this message, one more minute, go back to your drawing board, talk to your accountants, look at your interest account, look at your financing cost, talk to your chacha ji, tau ji, papa ji, all the business partners in your business. Talk about adding trades as one of your working capital solution in your business. Take this message home, take this message in your business associations, business communities. Please talk to Canara Bank officials as well. Because the way I explained it, Canara Bank bless this product. Why? Because they have a complete trust in helping MSMEs. So let's look at helping yourself in your MSME businesses and help the ecosystem. With this, thank you so much. Some of my credentials are there. If you want to note it, you want to take a pic, we can connect. And a big round of thanks to Canara Bank officials, to the gentlemen sitting there, and to all of you. All the best. Have a wonderful, successful, amazing business journey for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Vikas Kumarji. I hope the customers or our esteemed customers must have benefited out of this presentation. And whoever is not registered on the TEDx platform, I request you to get registered and get the benefit under the scheme. Thank you.
A quick help, अगर आपको कोई सवाल है, I am around. हम साथ में लंच करेंगे. So आपको कोई सवाल हो, मैं हाजिर हूँ आप लोगों के साथ. मेरे साथ मेरे कुछ colleagues भी हैं. They can always visit you and take care of your queries. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Dear customers, and now that our Executive Director, Shri Ashok Chandra sir has arrived, we will commence the program by lighting the lamp. So I request Executive Dignitaries to light the lamp, followed by a floral tribute to our supervisor. Yes, sir. And now I request our General Manager and Satellite Sri Gopi Krishna sir to present the. We invite our Executive Director by presenting the plans. I requested Mitandriya sir to present the plant to Sri Prabhakaran sir. I request our circle head and the general manager Sri Gopi Krishna sir to welcome address.
Good afternoon to everyone. Sri Ashok Chandraji, Executive Director of Canara Bank, and Sri Prabhat Kiranji, General Manager, who is looking after MSME from head office, and all the customers who came here from faraway places also, and from all the nook and corner of Bangalore city, and all our executives who have taken pain of coming here. For all of you, a very warm good afternoon once again. Today, this is an outreach program we have named to this program. We are having various offices all over the Bangalore. We are having more than 220 branches. We are having more than 5 MCBs. We are having more than 6 Sulabs. All these are catering to the needs of MSMEs. But still we felt that there is a connection is required between the top executives and the customers. Customers may be, their requirements may be different, and whatever we are offering may be the different. So to have a connection between both of us, between the customer and the management, we started coining this outreach program where all over the corner of the Bangalore, various customers came. Already some of them have had the discussion with the topmost our general managers, Mr. Prabhat Kiran, and have got some good suggestions, good ideas, encouragement, and how to go about in the future. And he has also given the direction to our executives how to take forward these proposals. And also just now we have seen our executive director has also joined this meeting. So I thank him for joining us today in spite of his very busy schedule, and he is ready to interact with the customers, whoever is required, any specific problem is there or any solution is required. So this much of importance Canara Bank is giving to the MSME customers. Just now you have seen a presentation of Threads, a unique platform by M1 Exchange and partnered by Canara Bank, where you can have at very cheaper rate a bill discounting facility, and also various products we are having that presentation also coming up. So I request all the customers to utilize the Canara Bank services and sponsor your near and dear for Canara Bank for having future course of business. I sincerely request all of you to shower your blessings on the Canara Bank for giving the new and future businesses and utilize our services. So thank and namaste to all of you for coming, and also I will sincerely thank dignitaries sitting on the dais for making it to this function today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now we request our Executive Director, Shri Ashok Chandra sir, to kindly address the gathering, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good morning to all of you. Today's event organized by our Circle Bangalore. So today's Circle Head, Mr. Gopi Krishna ji, is heading that entire Bangalore Circle. Our General Manager, Mr. Prabhat Kiran, all the Canara Bank officials who are present here, all the business partners, business associates who are already doing the banking with Canara Bank, and all other entrepreneurs who are present here. A very, very warm welcome to all of you. I think all of you are aware that Canara Bank has completed 117 years, and we have started the journey in 118th year just few days back, and we had a grand celebration in Bangalore. We conducted the first time Canara Marathon here in Bangalore. You are all aware that this is a very strong bank. Fundamentally, all the parameters wise, the business wise, we are one among the largest banks in the country, having a total business of 21,56,000 crore, which we reported on 30th September, and the net profit that particular quarter itself is 3,606 crore. June quarter also it was 3,535 crore, and all the business parameters wise also bank is in a very good position, sound position. Now when we talk about the MSME, we have and personally I have a very high regard for all the entrepreneurs who are engaged in the MSME activity. In fact, yesterday only in Bombay, there was a big conference FICCI and IBA had organized, and there was one deliberation, 1.5 hour session was there about the MSME activities and what are the opportunities and what are the challenges MSMEs are facing, and I was there, one of the panelists there. So we had a good discussion there, a lot of things came out of that. See, we have around 634 lakh MSME units in the country. And if you see the data, 97% of this unit, they are in the unorganized sector. That is the biggest challenge before everybody now. How to bring those unorganized sector to the formal system, and wherein we can get integrated with the financing opportunities which the banks are giving to all those entrepreneurs. I think that is the biggest challenge, and there I request all of you that who are already banking with Canara Bank or with any other bank, if through you also, if you can bring those unorganized sectors people and these people who are doing that and getting that informal sort of lending activity, if you can bring them in the formal activity and integrate with the banking framework, I think that is the biggest contribution all of us can make there. I think you are the one sector who is providing around 12 crore employment opportunities in the country. And your contribution in the GDP is around 35 to 36%. So you are a major player in the economic development of the country. And recognizing that, Canara Bank has initiated a lot of activities across the country. First, we refined our entire MSME schemes. There are such beautiful schemes, I think my team will explain to you, and they will make a very brief presentation in detail if you require. I think one-to-one also you can get engaged with those people. But they will explain some beautiful schemes like one Canara GST, one very good product is there, which is based on your GST returns itself, you can avail that facility. I think those people, they will deliberate those things, and it is a very simple process. We are also in the process of digitizing the entire MSME segment. The digital lending platform has already been created and the vendors have been onboarded. Things are under process, and up to 10 lakh journey, first phase we are going to do it through the STP process, where there will not be any manual intervention. You can, sitting in your house, you can apply for the loan, and within 5 to 10 minutes, your documentation, everything will be done through the digital mode, and you will get the sanction. So that is the initiative bank has already taken now, and we are expecting that before 31st of December, up to 10 lakh MSME loan will be given through the STP journey. And then going forward, we are also creating the cash flow based lending facility. I think trades, we are already doing wonderful job, and that is again my request to you will be the person from the trades. I think they have already explained that. This is again a wonderful platform where you can showcase your invoices, showcase your receivables, and get a competitive bidding from across the banking sector. And it is up to you to decide that yes, which bank you want to go for that. But there also, I think only around 50 to 60,000 MSMEs are active and they are uploading their receivables, receipts and all. So be active part of that, and the lending, the rate of interest is also very, very competitive on the trades platform. So I think I can assure you on behalf of Canara Bank that we are for the MSME sector, and anybody who wants to get connected with that, our branches are there, our regional offices are there, we have the circle office, and we are there to support all of you. I think with your growth, today the bank has grown and it has come to this position. It is only because the support and encouragement and your guidance, bank has come to this position. If you are growing, definitely the bank will continue to grow. And it is not vice versa. So you have to grow, and bank has to see that you are growing. And in that growth path, any assistance from the banking channel it is required, Canara Bank is there for all of you. This is one part, one segment that I have touched. There is another one beautiful product that the bank has launched on 3rd of April this year. After studying the payroll package of various schemes, we have come out with a beautiful payroll package for the corporate and non-corporate, government and non-government sector. And the payroll package which the Canara Bank is offering as of today, that is the best payroll package in the country, wherein we are offering the term life insurance to the extent of 6 lakh. I think that presentation also briefly they will make it. And even if you have 1 employee, 2 employee, we have made it so convenient that they can also avail that facility. Most of the banks, they have that limitation that if you have the 20 people or 30 people, and if all these people, they join the payroll package, then only some benefits will be given, and that benefit also in the form of the accidental insurance and some other benefits are there. Here we are giving the term life insurance and so many other facilities for which bank is incurring a cost of around 10 to 12,000 for each and every account. But bank is ready to bear that cost. When we have the profit and operating profit, we decided in this financial year that let us set out some part of the operating profit for the development of the society, development and giving contribution and giving the benefits to all the people who are associated with Canara Bank. So my request to all of you is that please get associated, whether it is a liability product or whether it is a asset-based product. I think today we are offering the best products in the market. And wherever you feel that yes, there is some fine-tuning is required, the product, some improvements are required, we are open for the change, we are open for improvement, and your suggestions are always welcome. So all my good wishes to all of you, and please get associated with Canara Bank. Those who are associated, get strengthened and enrich yourself by this strong association with Canara Bank. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir has explained the importance of MSME sector and the benefits available to them, and what is in pipeline with the Canara Bank. So I request all the beneficiaries to take advantage of that. And now I request Sir GM Prabhakar sir to kindly present the MSME products.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Ellarigu namaskar. As our ED sir has highlighted, MSME has been our bank's strength and backbone. We are traditionally an MSME banker. We thank all of you for this continued support, and we appreciate your time and your interest in exploring our bank's products. We have many tailor-made products suited to each and every type of MSME customers. In fact, you can say that there is no MSME customer for which we do not have a suitable product. Besides, we have also developed 16 area-specific schemes which is suitable to a particular region. Presently for Bangalore region, we are having one scheme, MSME In, which is designed for the hospitality sector. And soon we are coming with the pharma companies also, one scheme for the pharma companies also. We have products for domestic markets, traditional products like working capital, term loan, project finance, etc. For exporters, we are having pre-shipment and post-shipment finance. Besides that, in the non-fund based category, we are having bank guarantees, letter of credit, trade finance, trade credit, all those schemes we are having. So let us delve into our selection and discover how our MSME products can bring added benefits, efficiency and effectiveness to your endeavor. So coming to our reach in Karnataka, like you can see, we have a very good base in the Karnataka state. We have a clientele base of presently 3.78 lakhs, and we are having 25,600 crores of advances in Karnataka region. And we have 22 MSME Sulabs to process the MSME. Sulabs are nothing but it is a processing hub where we process the MSME loans for faster implementation. And coming back to Bangalore, we have 1.19 lakhs of customers, and total business is around 13,500 crores. Here we are having 10 MSME processing hubs in Bangalore. So these are some of the schemes, our flagship products, which is applicable to all over India. And like first one is having, we are having MSME Star, which is for manufacturing and services units for all the MSME customers. For women entrepreneurs, we are having Canara Mahila Vikas, that we will see in details some of the products. Then for professionals like architects, engineers, others, CAs, we are having MSME Smart Professional. Then for contractors, we are having MSME Contractor. Like our ED sir told, we are having one Canara GST, which is a very beautiful scheme. For area specific, we are having Canara MSME in for the hospitality sector. Similarly, we have started startup sale also in our bank. So madam will be explaining the startup scheme of our bank. So just go to MSME Star. So everyone is eligible for this scheme, all individuals, proprietor, partner, private limited companies. So here minimum amount is 10 lakhs. So the best thing is the rate of interest. We are taking 100% security, but the rate of interest is very competitive. We are charging from RLLR to RLLR plus 1.30%. That means from 9.25 to 10.5%, which is very competitive in the market. And these rate of interest is not hard and fast that it will not be reduced. Suppose some other financial institution is offering lesser than that, then we will also consider. Next. Then Mahila Vikas, this is for the woman entrepreneur. So women entrepreneur means wherever the holding in the partnership firm or the private limited company is more than 51%, so that we consider as a Mahila driven by the women entrepreneur. Here the CRC score shall be 650, minimum amount is 10 lakhs. Here also the rate of interest is very competitive. We are offering from 9.25 to 10.25%.
Next.
Then we are having one smart professional, which is for all the professionals like architects, engineers, valuers, management, financial consultants, chartered accountants. So you should have 2 years of experience and the valid certificate license. Here also the rate of interest ranges from 9.25 to 10.5%. Next. One scheme we are having for the contractor, those who are having all type of contractors like civil, mechanical, mining, mechanical, all types of contractors can avail the facility under the Canara contractor scheme. Here we are having taking security only up to 50%, and maximum term loan we are giving up to 10 crores.
You can see all type of the products for all type of the activities we are having for the MSME, and the Bangalore as a whole, the 10 dedicated Sulabs, those who are directly dealing with the customers and submitting the proposal to the delegated authorities so that the real time turnaround time can be reduced. Go to the next. Next. Canada GST, what ED sir was telling, one of the famous, I can say that exposure is continuously increasing. Now we are having more than around 6,000 crore exposure in the GST, and it is very simple and the tailored product. For working capital, immediately you can see the details. We can go for that. Next.
Here the margin is nil. That is the beautiful thing. The margin is nil, and whatever GST is there for the past 12 months, we are giving 20% of that as a penalty. So 75% security. Collateral security.
MSME already Sanjay explained. Yeah, next.
This is the specific design for the Bangalore. This is Canara MSME in which is for the hospitality sector. So we are giving to all hotels, resorts, restaurants, dhaba, all sorts of related to hospitality.
Morning we are discussing one proposal that will be covered in this product. Yeah, next. The export credit, I can say those who are in the export dealings, there we have modified our interest rate and we have linked our export rate with the external benchmark, and the export rate start from the 7.70 to 10% depending upon the tenors and depending upon that risk rating, I can say. So very highly competitive, I can say one of the best in the banking industry. We are having the interest rate.
Good morning to the dignitaries on the dais and the dignitaries of the dais and my dear customers. Startup Cell is a concept which the Government of India has brought in. The Government of India has an initiative of supporting the startups. Startup is a unit or a business enterprises or a business which is being just in a budding stage, or it has just started with an idea. To support this, the Government of India has come with an initiative, and our Canara Bank has joined the startup cell, which has started the startup cell to join this initiative. The startup, as it name itself, it says that startup is just a starting stage of a business. So at the starting stage of business, everybody requires a big support, right? Not only the financial, the managerial, and also the market support, which is being given by the Government of India by the site which has opened. It's called Startup India site. So I just wanted to explain you that what is actually a startup. Startup is a firm or an business entity which has started and has not completed yet 10 years of its journey. So any business which has been just born and it has not completed 10 years, it comes under startup. So if anybody of the business which is within 10 years, you can actually register with DPIIT. It's DPIIT is Department for Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade. This is a department which has been from the Government of India, which is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. This department, whoever has been registered under DPIIT, a registration number has been given, and the startups have been given assistance by the DPIIT in the site. Like the assistance, the benefits what you get under Startup India is, you get the licensing with a concessional rate, concessional cost, and also you will get the support from the incubators. Incubator support is an excellent support what the Government of India have taken an initiative. Incubator support is a support wherein you are getting a nurturing benefit from the Government of India. Like any market related queries or any requirement about your product queries, everything is being given by the incubators who are professionals in the field. So a startup business is a business which is not yet completed 10 years. I request any of your entrepreneurs, the MSMEs who have not completed 10 years and have not registered under DPIIT, still there is a time you can register. That is from the date of incorporation, 2 years is the time given by the Government of India who can register for DPIIT. So the benefits what you get from the DPIIT is one of the beautiful benefit is the seed fund assistance which is given by the government. Actually, startup has 4 different cycles. It's an ideation stage, second is validation stage, third is early traction stage, and fourth is the scaling stage. First and second stage of the businesses where your idea is still with you. It's in the paper or it's with you, it has not come in a product stage. So at that stage also, government is going to give you the support by giving a seed fund to you. So I request you all to go through this website and get the inputs from the website, and please register for the DPIIT, and please coordinate with the Canara Bank, which is going to give you the best support for the startup. And I just wanted to share one thing. Bangalore city is being given the #1 city under the startup. It's having around 1477 in the city startups right now. So we, Canara Bank, being in Bangalore, will be happy to be assist with startups, and we will be here in Bangalore. We have our center at the Sheshatripuram branch. Pan India level, we have around 7 centers in South, Bangalore, Chennai and Hyderabad. North we have in Delhi, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Pune, and Ahmedabad. Pune is the centers where we have 7 Pan India centers. So I request all of you to go through this website, and anybody is going to get help from this, and Canara Bank will be happy to support this. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sanjay Kumarji and Madam, for the nice presentation. Now I request Anand Narayan to kindly come and present the GDP products.
Dignitaries on the dais, and the people and the respected customers, good afternoon to all of you. The inaugural address our ED, Sir Ashok Chandra sir, told about. Okay, in our inaugural address, Ashok Chandra sir had told about our premium payroll package, which was launched on April 3rd. See, many of you might have employees who have multiple salary accounts with many banks providing certain features. But our Canara Bank, we believe, is given the benchmark salary account which was launched on April 3rd. It's a benchmark account because it has so many features that will cater to many needs of each individuals. I'll just go through the basic features of this. One thing is, you can see the main features of this salary account. This is the only salary account which provides term insurance coverage, and it has an inbuilt overdraft facility for which you need not come to the branch at all. You can directly use it through your mobile banking app. AI1 app is there for Canara Bank, which has almost 300 features. Through that, you can actually use the overdraft facility in case you need immediate funds. It's a zero balance account, and one of the other benefits is that your spouse and 2 children can join and open zero balance account if you have the salary package. It gives air accident coverage up to 58 lakhs, personal accident coverage up to 54 lakhs, and all premium cards, Rupee Platinum and Select cards of zero, no AMC, no annual maintenance charge or issuance charge. And all the operating charges are completely free. Operating charges are free, and many of the processing charges regarding your retail loan, housing loan, vehicle loan are completely subsidized. So, our salary account is divided into 4 main categories. One is silver, that is up to 50,000 gross monthly income. Gold is 1 lakh, 50,000 to 1 lakh gross monthly income. Diamond is 1 lakh to 1,50,000 gross monthly income, and platinum is 1,50,000 and above. And all these accounts are completely zero balance accounts. And I'll just put you on the side, but on the basis of our salary account, I'll just give you this thing. In case of your normal account operations, like you have to transfer funds, you have to take money, all this, see, our debit cards are completely free of charge. Rupee Select and Rupee Platinum cards that we are providing, these are completely free of charges. And in any Canara Bank ATM, you can take money and there is no restriction on that. In Bangalore alone, we have around 600 ATMs, and there is no charge on how many our operations are there. And for other other ATMs, up to 3 per in metro and up 5 in non-metro. That is one benefit. And in case of it's a zero balance account where you will get 200 check leaves per year. There is no charge on that. Then there is DD facility. For silver accounts, you will be getting 2 DD per month. But for all other cases, there is no charge for the number of DDs that we are having. And there is one more thing regarding the locker rent. Normally there is a locker rent and number of operations, there is limit is there. But in case of our platinum account, up to 15% reduction in locker rent is there, and there is no limitation number of locker operations per year. In case of accident, personal accident, air accident coverage, as I told earlier, up to 54 lakhs coverage is there for platinum account, and up to 58 lakhs for air accident coverage. And there is a baggage insurance and purchase protection coverage in up to 25,000 in case the payment is made through our card. That is our RuPay Platinum and Select cards. And not for you, for your spouse also, there is a personal accident coverage up to 2 lakhs and air accident coverage up to 4 lakhs. That is regarding to your personal thing. Now, in case you want loans, advances, there is a housing loan, because we are giving housing loan at around 8.4% now, and vehicle loans charged at 8.7%. The processing charge of these loans are completely subsidized under this payroll package scheme. There is personal loan option where the processing charge is reduced and the rate of interest of personal loans is also very less compared to other banks providing. And one of the key features is our overdraft facility. Overdraft up to 3 lakhs, you can withdraw through your mobile banking app. You need not visit the bank at all. This is one of the benefits of our payroll package scheme. This is in relation to our advances, the loan schemes related to payroll package scheme. Now, all these general offers are all these RTGS, NEF, demand draft, local operations, everything is free. There is no operation charge at all for any of these cases. And then, in case of the key feature of our this thing is our salary payroll package is term insurance. Term insurance means for silver up to 1 lakh term insurance is there. There is no premium on that, completely free. For gold 2 lakh, you can see that. Yeah, for diamonds, you can see the coverages. This is particularly for Canara Bank salary package alone. There is no premium on that. The silver 1 lakh, gold 2 lakhs, diamond 4 lakhs, and platinum 6 lakhs. Above, after all that, our cards, the cards we are issuing, that is platinum, select, and platinum cards, which are having lifestyle options. For example, if you are booking tickets through Book My Show, Zomato, Swiggy, any of this, there are a lot of benefits that our RuPay Platinum cards offer, which is completely free of charge because there is no AMC on that, there is no issuance charge. Even for credit cards, when you are using through our, you are applying through your payroll package, there are no charges for that. So that whatever lifestyle, normal banking, loans and advances, or any other features, including insurance, is features of our payroll package scheme alone. None of the banks are giving all these features. That is why ED sir has told that this is one of the card based. See, these are platinum cards. In that, the annual maintenance charge is completely waived, 100% waived. Issuance charge is completely waived. There is unlimited number of transactions, as I told, in our bank ATMs, and Metro in other bank ATMs 3 in a month and non-Metro 5 in a month. There are baggage issuance and purchase protection cover of up to 25,000 in these cards, card-based facilities. This is for all variants of cards of silver, gold, diamond, and platinum. There is no issuance charge, as I told. There is for credit cards, there is EMI facility, reward points, and in any including there is OTT like Disney Hotstar was giving this free through RuPay for 1 month. All the subscriptions are also free through this RuPay cards. And the cash withdrawal limit is up to 1 lakh and purchase limit is up to 5 lakhs for these cards, platinum and select cards that we are offering. and personal accident related to this Rupee Select cards is up to 2 lakhs. And death due to personal accident comes under 12 lakhs and other air accident up to 6 lakhs. And another feature is that normally there is this launch facility. In Rupee cards, each quarter you are getting completely free launch facility twice and international launch twice in a year. And cash withdrawal limit under these cards are 1 lakh and purchase limit is up to 5 lakhs. And these are the offers that our Rupee Select card is giving, like complimentary services in spa, health checkup, gym access programs, golf programs. These are all perks of this particular card, completely free of offered by our partner. This is the basic our salary package that we are offering, that is launched in April 3rd and is one of the best packages, the benchmark packages of the entire banking industry. Thank you all.
Thank you, Anand. Thank you for your nice presentation. Sir, this outreach program is being conducted today in all our 11 ROs. Non-metro ROs are not, because of that, non-metro ROs have not come. Their representatives have come. They are not coming with their customers. Those sanctions we will distribute here. So I request the non-metro ROs representatives to come and collect the checks for the sanctions done. Please come and dais. Yes, sir. RO Devanelli. RO Devanelli representative, please come.
Mr. Ravi Kiran? Mr. Very good.
Yes. North RO representative, kindly come with your customer. Yes, sir. No, here RG holders. Next, Sri Sai Ram Builders. Next, Italian Modular Furniture Systems. Please go. Italian Modular Furniture Systems Private Limited. Customer. Italian Modular Systems. Please. Next, Ganappa Tours and Travels. Customer, please. Ganappa Tours and Travels. Next, Mahadev Marketings. Mahadev Marketings. Next, Gajan Shakti Motors. Gajan Shakti Motors. Gajan Shakti Motors, please come. Farid Fruits Trading Company, please. Farid Fruits Trading Company, please. Mahadev Marketing, sir. Mahadev Marketing. Banjara Lambani Samas. Banjara Lambani Samas. Is there? Sinchana Exports. Rightway and Meda projects. Rightway Meda project. MCP Townham, please come on the desk. Star Infrastructure. Star Infrastructure. Next, Kalyana Karnataka Waste Management. Yeah, Star Infrastructure. Venkatramana Associates. Venkatramana Associates. Kalyana Karnataka Waste Management. Yeah, please. ROS, please come on next. Anjanadri Creations, please. Anjanadri Creations. Sri Pravira Hospitality. Sri Pravira Hospitality. Saiji Petrochem Private Limited. Saiji Petrochem Private Limited. Kambar Products. Kambar Products. M&M Fastness. Kambar Products. M&M Fastness. Okay, sir. Please wait, sir. Please wait, sir. Shangar Interior Repair, sir. Intake Additive. Kambar Products. M&M Fastness. Next. Intake Additive. Intake Additive is there. M&M Fastness. Shangar Interior Decorators. Yeah, please. Neeladri Car Rentals. Neeladri Car Rentals. Neeladri Car Rentals. Synchron Machine Tools. Synchron machine tools. RSA Holdings. Please come, sir. Sri Lakshmi Venkateshwara Silks. Sri Lakshmi Venkateshwara Silks. नहीं है ये है नहीं correct Sri Lakshmi Venkateshwara Sinchana Exports Sairam Builder Anurag Motors Viregodasi Anurag Motors Sri Lakshmi Venkateshwara Silks Anurag Motors Woodcut Tools and Services Private Limited. Okay, sir. Please wait. Parvati Enterprises. Okay, fine. Right Power Solutions Private Limited. Maheshwari Engineers. Polishman Woodcrafts Private Limited. Viregodasi. Okay. Anurag Motors. Mr. Raju. One. Sir. Mr. Raju. See, very good. Right Power Solutions Private Limited. Right Power Solutions Private Limited.
Mr. Khali?
Sautar was. NY Locking. Woodcut Tools and Services Private Limited. Maheshwari Engineers. Maheshwari Engineers. Anybody is there? Woodcut Tools. services, right? Maheshwari Engineers Enterprises. Maheshwari Enterprises. Please come. GM Group. GM Group. Nagaraj Maniswamy. Shreyas Textile. HMS Noor Egg Center. Hussain Saab, Mr. Hussain Saab. Okay. Hussain Saab, Hussain Saab, please. Hussain Saab. Amita Agro Industries. Mr. Babu, M. Babu. Sai Maruti Poultry Farm. NC Krishna Kumar. NC Krishna Kumar. HMS Group. M. Babu is there? M. Babu. Amita Agro Industries. Yes. M. Babu is there? Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. Babu is there? So, good. Due to paucity of time, the rest of the sanction communications will be discussed later and distributed. I request customers to kindly obey this. Now I request any of the customers to share their experiences with the branches. Anybody would like to ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿದ್ದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದಿಬ್ರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. Hello? Hello?
I am proprietor of Goodwill Industries, Pune Industrial Area, and a customer of Canara Bank. I am a customer of Canara Bank, Gandhinagar branch. Since 2006, earlier it was Syndicate Bank. Recently, we had applied for a term loan for import of machinery worth rupees 7.5 crores. The bank took nearly 3 months to issue the sanction letter. By the time sanction letter came, the dollar value went up and the difference in the project cost was 1.3 crore. Branch told this has to be brought up from you, from your side only. We said we cannot afford that. Reason one. Second reason is the machinery is not worth importing at this price. So we gave the letter, please cancel the sanction. We are not going to avail this. But they told you have to pay the full 100% sanction, processing charge, around 4.6 lakhs. Then finally they agreed to pay at least 50%, balance you will get a sanction from RO to balance 50% you need not pay. Now the branch is pressurizing to pay the balance 100%, 4.6 lakhs for the unavailed loan. What to do now, sir?
Pinion branch,
No, Gandhinagar branch.
Gandhinagar branch. Who is there?
See, first of all, I'm really very sorry that it took 3 months for this sanction. No processing charges will be taken from you.
It will be returned back, sir.
Absolutely, it will be returned.
Thank you, thank you.
It is really very, very unfortunate. So we will investigate this. We will find out who is responsible for that, because, see, the first priority for MSME sector is the turnaround time. And that is the thing which I was talking to our circle GM and all the others also, that if you are not able to give the sanction within 3 weeks, once we have agreed, see, first thing is that we should agree that whether we are, whether we are going to give the sanction or not, whether this project bank is going to undertake or not. Once we have decided that yes, bank is going to do that, then it should not take more than 3 weeks time. And that 3 weeks also, it is because of the legal, the evaluation and legal opinion, all those things are required to be done. But maximum outer limit is 3 weeks time. If anybody feels that it is taking more time, sitting in Bangalore, our head office is here, our MSME GM is here, you note down his contact number, we are here. Immediately, please escalate this to our head office. We will take it very, very seriously. So this, we will investigate this, and really if it has taken 3 months time for that sanction, we will investigate that matter, and no processing charges will be taken for this delayed sanction if the bank has communicated after 3 months time.
Good afternoon, sir. Prakash. Yeah, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Nice to see you here on the doorsteps of MSME Association. The whole world is looking towards manufacturing sector in India. Now you pretty well know. Now the banks are making huge profit because they are into business. I mean, that's a good sign all over. Gone those days where banks were, used to be partners kind of a thing, but still you used to deal with only the managers. Now all the entire centralization of your banking sector, yes, the smooth running of the bank and sanctions and all those things, control on the transaction is very good. Thanks a lot for that. And you have considered that MSME is a huge sector where it's you need to take care of it. And also even the government and as well as RBI is also keen on having the statistics of what banks are doing, where they are lending, whether this, since now MSME has combined the manufacturing and trading also nowadays. Now we are looking at, you have to see manufacturing as in a separate lens, because we need a different type of assessment when you are lending your money. Sir, I would like to bring few points over here since you are here. Sir, we need a local language has to be taken care at the branch level. As I told you, even though well-educated MSMEs doing business, or even there are uneducated people also doing business in this sector, providing large amount of jobs for the people who are unpaid. So you have to take care of the language issues which you are getting at the branch level. I don't know, you are giving some circulars on this. We have brought this to the notice of RBI saying that this needs to be done. Secondly, you are charging some interest. All these years, we used to think that the banks will take care of our money, and they are the interest, whatever they put. We never used to look into it, whatever the bank interest you charge on a monthly basis or a daily basis. And banks, we need it very keen on knowing things what banks are charging, what bank schemes are there. This needs to be displayed in your thing. And whenever you change your interest rate, please inform, maybe every fortnight. And it is your duty, and we also request that send a mail if you are not given the stock statement or the renewals. See, this is one which we are finding huge difficulty in understanding. And sir, for express loan, you said now this you're going to recharge that or restart that, whether it is stopped. This needs to be done very fast. And 90 minutes loan, we used to see it on the computer, on an internet saying, apply all these things within 19 minutes, the loan used to be get sanctioned. This has to be thoroughly looked into it. Most of the people needs this. We used to get all our transactions or the interactions at the branch level. Now, gone those days, every paper goes to a central office or the regional office. That takes a best example. These things should not repeat. Please look MSME in a different lens. Let us have more power in producing products. And you said that 35% is the GDP, our share that needs to be increased. This is good for the nation, and your part has to be very, very strong to support manufacturing. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you, sir, for whatever the suggestion you have given, sir. We have noted the suggestions and we will try to improve ourselves. Definitely. Thank you, sir.
Sir, good afternoon.
One or 2 points, I think, especially about the interest rate variation. I think the interest rate application in a particular loan, that we are doing it yearly. Because once you reset that loan, that is, if it is RLLR or RLLR plus 1%, that will remain for the entire 1 year, that entire factor now. Now it depends upon the RLLR variation what happens. So that core interest rate remains the same. Now the challenge what you have mentioned, that a stock statement or some other things if it is there, then the bank is charging 2%. For that awareness level or the information to the customer is required. I think definitely we should see that any SMS should go to the customer. I think definitely this part we will look into that. Yeah.
Rating what you do needs to be informed to us. We will get it rectified because
we can do that. Yeah. Yes, definitely.
I am Girish Gumaste, member of KASSIA, and as well as I am a president of Kabagondalli Association. Sir, my account is in the Syndicate Bank earlier. I started my account in 1994, so almost about 30 years. We have several problems after the merger of banks, after the merger of branches. All these things have happened in this all 30 years. Anyway, it is a part of our business, these things. I like to point out some of the things. We had a customer and banker relationship earlier. We used to have a yearly customer meet. Nowadays, because of this process, customer and banker interaction, somewhere we lost the interest of the customers here, because banking sector, they are doing their whatever as per the RBI guidelines and everything, but none of the time now customers has been not called to the bank because of the digitalization. So I like to point out some of the problems what we have faced, even I have faced. One point is that I have noticed, maybe from last year, regarding the renewal of the limits OD, overdraft and other things, there were a paper submission charges. There was no notice issued to the customer and no letter has gone to the customer, and renewal date is there. If it is 2 months ahead is there, and the renewal, this paper submission, non-submission of paper is charged, nearly about 15,000. So it has happened 2-3 times at almost my account it has been charged nearly about 50,000 accordingly. Then after the submission of the letter also, the charges has come. So these I already brought to the notice. I think our branch AGM is here today. This meeting also is there. I already given the letter. I already given letter in grievance cell also. But I got a reply that this is done as per the RBI guidelines. But the submission we are doing in the branch level. Branch is uploaded or not, we don't know. And regarding the stock statement, our committee chairman has pointed out. Stock statement, what is the last date? Nobody, nothing. Where is in writing or where is the letter? Even it is given as per the branch level, they are telling 7th. We are submitting on 3rd or 4th. And that 4 days it has been charged. What is this? I don't understand. And there are so many other hidden charges. I already brought to the notice of the branches, my branch. Please look into it and please give the justification for this. Thank you.
Sir, we acknowledge that there is a gap between customer and branch management. To rectify that, only recently we started a CRM concept. In each branch, we appointed a CRM to whom we have given top 50 borrowers as the, he has to be in touch with you. For any of your problems, he is the one-point solution in the branch. Most probably, from that branch, a officer's name might have intimated to you through mail or through your mobile. And if not, we will see that it is done. And we are also going towards enhancing our customer service for individual borrowers and depositors both. And individually, whatever this stock statement problem that we will look into. But sir, that 7th is the cut-off date. Before 7th you have to give. Even if you have given some charges for charged means, certainly we will look into that matter.
And whenever you are submitting any stock statement, ask the branch to acknowledge and give the acknowledgement to you.
Sir, I have done, because of that I sent an email to the branch, because I knew that maybe that the seal is not given or whatever the rate is coming.
When the digitalization is coming, let us do it digitally only. True. Let us send it by email.
Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah, I have done it.
And
Till it is charged.
Okay, you note on that.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್. ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಸರ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್? ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಆಲಂಬಡಿ ಕಾವಲ್ ಊರಿಂದ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ವಿಲೇಜಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು KRಪೇಟ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೋಲ್ಟ್ರಿ ಲೋನ್ ಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್. ನನಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ RO ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಭೋಗೇಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿತಿನ್ ಎ ವೀಕ್ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಟೀಮ್. I appreciate. So all others are complaining, but I am appreciating your teamwork. This is an opportunity for me to tell the officials how they work in regarding to help the people. That I am highlighting it, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, there may be 90 satisfied customers, but even 10 dissatisfied customers also, we don't want to be that number also. We want to resolve those issues also. So we thank you very much for your appreciation. At the same time, we want to look into their problems and we want to resolve those issues. Thank you.
This is Amit from Amit Agro Industries. Thank you for the sanction. We have the DVG Road branch has done a phenomenal job for giving us a sanction. So our project is about a juice-based company which we utilize the government schemes, which opens up 1 or 2 years once. So the first point I want to bring it to the notice is that branch, we educated the branch. There what we want is we want, I'm sure that MSME cell with the Canara branch is aware of the schemes, but there is some lag in terms of, the understanding of that scheme and, how we are, doing that. Though it was understood in time and, we submitted our proposal to the ministry. So this is one area that I want, MSME cell of Canara Bank to be educated from the ministry. I don't know how it is done internally today. Of all the schemes, I'm sure that PMFME, all this is being done, but this is something called CFPPC. This opens up once in 2 years or, 1 year or something like that. And that is where, new capital investment can come in the industrial areas and so on and so forth. And the second point, we are seeing that RBI has mandated priority sectors, right? So food processing, agri, and all that. So I was surprised to know that the processing fee is quite on the higher side on this, though nothing on that, but it might be an internal thing. Other financial institutions is somewhere charging between 0.2 and 0.4%. So we want to know how it can be reduced within the aura of Canara Bank so that we also can avail such kind of an advantage inside Canara Bank. So right now we have paid the processing fee, but again, at the time of release we pay some more and get the loan released. So these two areas right now should be addressed. I don't know how you will be taking it. Thank you.
We always review our processing charge when compared to the peer banks. Whatever you are giving the suggestion, our risk management cell is there to review on the quarterly basis. We will just advise again just to see all the other bank also. We have noted your suggestions. Thank you.
ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ 2 ಇತ್ತ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 96ಇಂದ ಅದೇ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಲ್ಲೇ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟು ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು ಈಗ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಆದರೆ 2016 ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಟ್ಗೇಜ್ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸರಿ, ನಾವು 2017 ನಮ್ಮದು ಇದಾಯಿತು, ಮೆಚೂರಿಟಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನಮ್ಮದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಮನೆ ನಾವು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. 30/11/17 ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆದರೆ 18 ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ತನಕ ತಿರುಗಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಅದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ 14ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು ಅವನು ಮಾರ್ಟ್ಗೇಜ್ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವನು 16-17ರಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 18-19ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು NPA ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ NPA ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಟ್ಗೇಜ್ ಲೋನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿದು NPA ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 3 EMI ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 3 ತಿಂಗಳ 12 ದಿನ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಸಪ್ರೇಸಿ ಆಕ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೋನಾ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೋ ಈ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗಾಗಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾಗಲಿ RBI ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲೋನ್ಗಳಿದ್ದರೆ. ಅದು ಅದೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ NPA ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನು ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಯವರು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಜುಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೂ ಮಾರ್ಟ್ಗೇಜ್ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಆಯಿತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ಸೆಸ್ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮು ಅದನ್ನೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ IT ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ 2 years IT ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅಂದರು. ರೆಂಟಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದರು, ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಂದರು. ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ಈ ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಂದು ಬನ್ಸಲಾಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದು ಶಿವಾಜಿನಗರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೆಟ್ರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ನಮಗೆ 20 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ. ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದು RIH ಯಲಹಂಕ RIH ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು. RIHನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನದು NPA ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರು. ಆವಾಗ ಬಂದು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಅವರು ಹೌದೌದಾ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಆವಾಗ RIHಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಆವಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈಗ ನನಗೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇವರು RIHನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮದು ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಮೇಜರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಯಿತು ನಮ್ಮದು NPA ಅಂತ. ನಂದು ಸಿಬಿಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಅವನಿಂದ ನಾನು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಅವನು ಅಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅವರಿಂದ ಸಫರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಾನು. ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ನನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸು ಬಂತವಂತೆ. ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸೋ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಯಾರು? ROದ ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ದ, ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟರ್ದ?
ಸರ್ ತಾವು
ಈಗ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಟೋಟ್ಲು ಅವ್ನಿಗೇನು ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತೋ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವನು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ದು ನಾನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು RAHಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ನಲ್ಲಾದರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಏನಂದರೆ ನಾವು 2018 ಇದೇ ಥರ ಲೋನ್ ಮಿಷನರಿ ಲೋನ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ನಮಗೂ ಅವಾಗ RH ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜನಗರಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುಗಾಡ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿಡ್ಬಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. 1 ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಲೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು. ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಲೋನ್ ಬೇಕಂತ 2021 ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಮ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮು ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನಾವು RHಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಇದನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು 100 ಜನ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಲಿ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ RBI ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ, ರೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೋನ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಸರ್? ಈ ಥರ ಕೆಲವು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೀವು ಒಂದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮು AGM ಆಗಲಿ DGM ಆಗಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಥವರು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ.
ಖಂಡಿತ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
All the details and send the details to us. Okay.
No, either increasing the interest or decreasing the interest not in the hands of branch. That you tell
whatever it is, note down all the details and send to us.
And also
all the details.
Sure.
Respect to RAH and RO, if really it is the problem of the only that concern because of his NPA we could not sanction. We could see it in a positive way because of Corona. He might have slipped. Because of that, we can sanction it by taking it as a evaluation. Who is that RAH? Who will look into that?
Sir, I will discuss with him, sir, after this meeting. Certainly we will take up.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Sachin Narayan. I am a respected on DAS Shri Ashok Chandra Sir Bank customer meet. Sir, I would like to say it's a journey of 60 years. And I'm an associate with this bank for almost, myself being 30 years, I'm associated with this bank and I take the privilege. Sir, we have seen, we have been growing associated with your bank. I take the privilege in that. And always, right from my housing loan needs or customer, I'm into multiple business. Each and every business, we have been supportive. And see, as a businessman, we always have ups and downs in our business line. It is not only during ups we require you, but whenever we are in down stage, we require you. And I take a privilege and I congratulate Canara Bank. Whenever we are in down stage, the bank is always with us, and I am grateful to this bank. It's like a kamadenu to our business. I am the third generation man banking with your branch, sir, cantonment branch. Sir, I have seen a sanction being taken 8 months, probably 20-25 years back. To that, the recent sanction, in principle sanction, I got it in 7 days. For that, I need to congratulate this entire efforts under Gopi Krishna sir and AGM Murthy sir and even our circle branch also, sir. It's a great privilege being an associate of your branch, and even my future generation also will continue to be with you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
So with the permission from the dais, we are now coming to an end of this program. We reiterate.
I need 5 minutes. I'm also customer of Canara Bank and I'm going.
Hello.
5 minutes.
Hello.
Please.
Hello. I'm I am Shantappa Ajam, contractor. I coming from Mysore Siddhartha branch. So I will thank you to your Canara Bank because we having given sufficient cooperation to me with all needs of my works. One thing, and I will one time I will fully down in our working sites. In that time, that our regional officer, AGM, and then regional officer, DG, that are given support to given some amount to our contract business. So we will grateful to that our business. And then one thing that Canara Association gives us the experience now, but it gives some more in work sides given so many respects to us. And one thing, we are contractor. The book statements which you give in times, that is a problem for our, because we given we work in government sites. The fund is not given in times, because they are prolonged to so many times in our there are no grants in there, there are no in LOC problems. So in that cases we did in time we not submitted the book statements. And those, that is the reasons we are some we are ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೊಂದರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನವರು ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಬೇಕು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಾವು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇವರಿದ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅವರ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೆಷಿನರೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ಸ್ that time they are needly certain times within a time. So we give given and for relax the some and yours please you can say the branches also.
Noted,
please,
sir. If any particular case is there, the due dates is suppose is 7th instead of 7th, 15th or 21. If any particular, I will speak to the concerned person.
Okay.
Suitable advice will be given.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for it.
Hello. Namaskara. Very good afternoon, Gopi sir, Ashok Chandra sir, Prabha sir, Kiran sir. ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬಾಲಾಜಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾನೊಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟು. ನಾನು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಡಿಲೇ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಾ, ರೀಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಂದು ಒಂದು 23 ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜನ ಲೋನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು. 96 ನಾನು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ಗೆ ಎನ್ಆರ್ ಕಾಲೋನಿ. ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೈ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ವಿತ್ 50,000 rupees. ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು BR ಬಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲೂಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲೂಮ್ ನಾನು ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗ ಬಂದು ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಾಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂದ ಅಂತ. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವೈಟ್, ನಾನು ಮಿಷಿನ್ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸರ್ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಕುಂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. He himself written that 100 gram gold, 2 kg silver. Next day when I went to my branch, Canara colony branch, he has sanctioned 5 lakhs OD by giving his own brother guarantee. He is ಬಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆದರು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕೆರಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಕೋಟಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿಂದ. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ, ರೀಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿನೋ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸೈಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಟ್ಟೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ನಂದು ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲಿನಿನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವುಮೆನ್. ಲಿನಿನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕರ್ಚಿಪಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಸ್ಯಾರಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಶ್ರುತಿ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಹೆಸರು, ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ, ಶ್ರೇಯನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಗ. ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಲಿನಿನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಅಂತ ನಂದೇ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಒಬ್ರು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನೇ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅರೆ ಯಾರು आपका माल अभी बिका ही नहीं है. When I asked the manager, sir आपको तो बहुत अच्छा क्वालिटी है, 3 दिन में बिक गया. Then I started my own shops. ನಂದೇ ಓನ್ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ 1.7 crores ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇದೆ, ರೀಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, 1.7 crore ಇತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ. 2 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದು 1.4 crore. ನನ್ನ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ NP ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, NPR ನಮ್ಮ ಕರಿಯರ್ ಹೋಯಿತು. 1996 ನಾನು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗೆ 1 more ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 4 months ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಐ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 100%. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನೇನಾಯಿತು, ಒಂದು 1 week ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸುಲಭ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರು, ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಯಾಕೆ ನೀನು ಲೋನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆ 2 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನು ಮಾರ್ಗೇಜ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1.2 crore. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗೇಜ್ ಆಗದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಫರ್ದರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ, ನಂದು 2 ಶಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, 2 ಶಾಪ್ ನಾನು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ದೇ ಸೆಡ್ ಒಂದು ತೆಲುಗು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಹಸ್ ಕಮ್, ಚೀಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ he said, I want to see your unit. Amit and Aditya, they came within 3 hours inspection ಆಯಿತು. They have seen what they have seen in my office and my showrooms. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಆವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ 50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ANG ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಲೋನು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಜಾಬ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಂಚು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೋರೂಮ್ಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಆಫೀಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ನನ್ನ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ, ದೇವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ, ಸ್ನಾನ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೂವು ಇರಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕೇ ನನ್ನ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ. ಮೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೂಜಾ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ, ಮೈ ಆಫೀಸ್, ಮೈ ಶೋರೂಮ್, ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. They have seen, why Balaji you are making puja to bank? I said, that is my God. Today I am enjoying 2 crores body because of my bank. Okay, they have seen everything inspection. Any plans, Balaji? Yeah, I have seen one more showroom in RR Nagar. What is your investment? I am planning for 50 lakhs. What is your total cost of project? After seeing me, the manager said, we will sanction you 2 crore. I said, sir, I don't have anything collateral. अरे यार, इतना साल से तुम जो बैंक में रिलेशन किया है वो क्या चीज का, जो दूसरा भी प्रॉपर्टी बेच करके तुमने तुम्हारा पूरा लोन्स क्लियर कर दिया, दे नाउ दे आर फास्ट फ्रॉम 1 वीक, दे आर बैक अप मी, व्हेन आर यू कमिंग, व्हेन आर यू कमिंग, आई एम टेकिंग वन मोर sanction for new showroom आर नगर. I said I don't have any collateral. अरे यार तुम्हारा गुडविल क्या चीज का है, व्हाट इज योर गुडविल, इतना दिन से तुम गुडविल जो क्या. सो ये बात में वही है, ಇದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಹಣ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ರಿಯಲ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸರ್. I see in my branches they will say for this many months this much interest, for this many months this much interest, senior citizen 0.5, like that only. One line if you mention for the NPA you are taking loans, NPA ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಸಿಬಿಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 37 ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ ಟೈಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಬಿಸಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಚಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಾಲಜನ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾಳೆ NPA ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮದು 1 lakh ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತೀರಿ ಕಟ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಬಿಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸಿಬಿಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಸರ್. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू सर.
नमस्ते साहब, मैं यलहंका से मैट्रेस फैक्ट्री है, लेकिन मेरे को कैनरा बैंक से बहुत हेल्प हो गया. मेरे पास 20 आदमी कर रहा है काम, 20 आदमी 100 आदमी का रोजी रोटी चल रहा है. लेकिन लास्ट 1.5 साल से एक चोरी हो गया फैक्ट्री में, लेकिन टाटा इंश्योरेंस वाले 1.5 साल से सता रहा है साहब. 1.5 साल से मेरे कुछ भी क्लेम नहीं कर रहा है. टाटा इंश्योरेंस वाला मैं ब्रांच में गया तो ब्रांच मैनेजर तो बहुत कुछ को हमको सपोर्ट करके मेल डाल रहा है, सब कुछ कर रहा है, लेकिन वो लोग रिस्पांस नहीं कर रहा है. बैंक तो बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट कर रहा है, लेकिन टाटा इंश्योरेंस का थोड़ा तुम
कोऑर्डिनेट करेंगे.
हाँ सर, 1.5 साल हो गया, कुछ भी ना दे रहा नहीं दे रहा, एटलीस्ट उसका तो कुछ रिस्पांस है. क्योंकि देखो 5 लाख का लेकिन छोटा दिखता है, लेकिन हमको छोटा नहीं, क्योंकि हमारा ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಪ್ರಿಯ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರೇ, ತಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಲಂಚ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್. ओके.
तो टाटा वाले को तोड़ने का तुम मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, ऐसा लोग इंश्योरेंस कैंसिल ही कर दो, कोई को नहीं देना, क्योंकि टाटा को निकाल दूसरा को रखो कैनरा बैंक में, उसको अलो मत करो. नहीं तो उसका कुछ रीजनेबल तो देना ना हमको.
श्योर
क्यों नहीं दे रहा करके, क्योंकि मेरा मैट्रेस का कंपनी का था.